Hi guys, and welcome to Chef Unicorn, and we have Chef Ladybug with us, and she is gonna make brownies with us, but special brownies with chocolate rice Krispies and Cool Whip. And we're gonna need water, the mix, 2 eggs, a measuring cup, a bowl and a mixer, and olive oil. Well, avocado oil.
It's avocado oil, yes.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Right, guys.
Alright.
Ready? What is this? Ready? Pour. All of it. All of it? Okay. Oh my gosh! So much.
Woo.
It's like up to the top of the bowl.
That's all of it.
It's like a mountain.
It's a mountain of yummies.
Okay, now you crack the eggs. Okay, and I'll help you. Ah. Oh. Gotta crack it. Have a little shell in there, but more
protein. Let's actually get the shell out. You don't want shell in your brownie batter.
Okay.
Awesome job. Okay.
Okay.
Let's take a break and wash our hands and not wipe them on the counter.
Okay, now we,
Okay.
now
Chef Ladybug, let me get you a wet paper towel.
Stop it.
Okay.
Wait, we gotta add more.
Okay. Chef Unicorn, how much avocado oil goes in there?
This much.
A full cup?
Yeah.
You might want to read your recipe.
Where is the rest?
What does it say on the box here? Okay, so the recipe calls for a half a cup of vegetable oil. We're using avocado oil instead.
It goes up like.
So this is a full cup. So we're gonna fill it halfway full.
Now pour it in.
Is that half?
Yep.
No, that was only like a quarter.
Now a little more.
Okay. More.
More?
Yeah.
Up to
A little
the
more.
top?
That's good. Okay.
There it is.
That's like 2 quarter cups, so that's a half a cup right there.
Okay.
Perfect.
Should we mix it up? Yeah.
Yeah. Chef, hold on. Let Chef Ladybug stir while you pour water in
She's
there.
our guest.
Yeah.
So all the way to the top?
No, so a quarter cup of water. So pretty much where you poured the the avocado oil to is where you're gonna pour that to. Right about a little more.
And I pour it there.
Okay.
Wait, I get to pour it.
Let's
No,
let
you're-
Ladybug pour it in. Perfect. Okay. And now Chef Unicorn, let's let Chef Ladybug get it started. And then you can finish it, okay, Chef?
Mix it all up. Get on the edges too, okay? So that's not just like milk in the middle.
Perfect. Yeah.
Shouldn't we
Great.
add some milk? Shouldn't we add some milk?
No, it doesn't look like it by the recipe. It's just, whoa, we're getting a little messy. It can make you sick.
Okay.
Okay, Chef Unicorn, help her out. Great job. Yeah. Get it all mixed up off the sides and everything. Perfect. Oh yeah. And then when it's thoroughly mixed, we'll add the secret ingredient, which is Cocoa Krispies. Okay, is it all mixed up really good?
Yes.
Okay. Let's add the Cocoa Krispies now.
Let's fill it up.
I would say, what do you think? A full cup?
Yeah, a full cup of that.
Full cup of Cocoa Krispies?
Let me do it this time.
You wanna pour it in, Chef Ladybug? Okay.
And I pour it in and then I mix it.
Yeah, Chef Ladybug's gonna pour it into the cup for you.
Pour it in.
Pour it right into the cup.
Okay. A little more. And stop.
Full cup.
And pour it in.
Alright, mix it all in. Cocoa Krispies Brownies.
Look at this.
Oh
Looks
yeah.
like walnuts in here.
That does look like walnuts, kind of.
Doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody at home ever had Cocoa Krispies Brownies?
Delicious.
Probably not.
Oh. And now we gotta grease the pan so that our batter doesn't stick. So ready?
What kind of
Olive oil.
What kind of oil are you using?
Olive oil.
Not too much. That's perfect. Good. Okay. It's not olive oil. It's actually avocado oil spray.
I keep always saying olive.
This. Yeah. Okay. Now let's pour the batter in, guys.
So I tilt this and you pour
Here,
it.
let's get this under. There we go.
And you scoop it out with that, okay? And you be Cat Noir. Great.
I'm Chef Cat Noir. Right. One of Chef Ladybug's favorite shows is Ladybug Miraculous.
Miraculous.
Yeah, that's why she likes to be called Ladybug. Okay, can you kind of scrape the rest of that out into there? All right, good job, Chef. And Chef Unicorn, what's one of your favorite shows?
My favorite shows is Nailed It.
Nailed it. You love those baking shows, don't you? Those are really entertaining. I like those too. Okay, it's time to put them in the oven.
And the temperature is 350 degrees.
And how long do we bake them, Chef Ladybug?
30 minutes.
30 minutes, yes. So we'll put them in, and in 30 minutes, we'll see how they
And my
look.
shirt got wet because I was drinking water.
She was drinking some
And
water.
when I drink, it spills out right here when I drink.
That's awesome to know. Thank you. All right. All right, let's put these puppies in.
And now we gotta put these in the oven.
It's all preheated.
Don't do this at
350.
Don't do this at home.
Yes, you gotta be very careful not to touch the hot. Perfect. Great job. We'll see you in 30 minutes. So Chef, while we're waiting for the brownies to bake, what do?
We clean up.
We clean up. Awesome. That's the best way to spend the 30 minutes we spend baking. What?
And they just got out of the oven, and after dinner we're gonna eat them.
Oh, they came out so
Yummy.
good.